All right, so today we're going to be cleaning this carpet for a real estate agent. Really heavy traffic areas, and we're going to be doing the encapsulation cleaning on this because it needs to be ready for pictures like here in a few hours. So we're going to knock it out pretty quick. It's not too bad. I almost forgot to take this video or pictures, so I've got my equipment in here already, but we will see what this looks like at the end, so stick around. All right, so it's been encap clean, and I noticed when I turn the camera, it looks like there's a spot there, but that is not a spot. It's a shadow or something, and the big stain up here came out. I'm not gonna walk through all the other rooms. Oh, this is funny. So they want the carpet to have a vacuum look, so I'm just running the CRB over the carpet to give it that vacuum look. The rake isn't aggressive enough. I had one a couple days ago the same way. But anyway, everything came out looking perfect. This big spot over here that it was here, several different products, and then used the magic bullet to finish it out, and it worked great. All right, so here is the final product. Turned out beautiful, and the carpet is groomed. Will be dry probably in about 30 minutes. VLM stands for very low moisture, and we use the encapsulation products, which makes it encapsulation cleaning, but it is still low moisture.